Looking for best e-tendering portal for education sector? Well, your search is over. MKCL EduMart, B2B platform for e-procurement exclusively for education sector. Some of our delighted clients are Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Shivaji University, Shri Santakripa Shikshan Sanstha,
and many more.
Our exciting services are Catalog Management, Suppliers Product Information, Notification App, Instant Notification, Product Overview. MKCL EduMart is beneficial for both educational institutes and suppliers. Since the portal is exclusively for educational sector, we channelize our energy and focus entirely on our customer satisfaction by seamless processing of the tenders. One-stop solution for supplier to get all the information about tendering activity of various educational institutes. No need to register on multiple portals. To successfully process the tenders, competitive bids for each tender needs to be received, for which EduMart has huge list of suppliers. On publishing a tender, the AI engine of the system starts sending alerts to concerned suppliers to participate in tender till the time they will not participate in the tender or last date of the tender. These types of tenders can be processed: open tender, bidding,
Forward auction and reverse auction.
limited tender, OEM tenders, and inquiries, which can be used to get best rates for the items they are procuring. Benefits to educational institutes: large supplier base including OEMs across India. Instant notifications by SMS and email of tenders published to relevant suppliers through AI engine. Our call center executives personally call suppliers to ensure maximum bids for every tender so that educational institute will get competitive quotes. Dedicated call center support for technical assistance and processing of various nature of tenders. No registration fees and tender processing fees. Unlimited tenders can be published. EduMart will help you maintain existing NAC accreditation or to move ahead in next grade of NAC accreditation. E-tendering of the funds received under
RUSA
for the holistic development of institutes can also be done. Benefits to suppliers: supplier can participate in tenders of many institutes from single login. Personalized support to participate in the tenders based on its past participations to ensure all relevant suppliers are submitting their bids timely. Suppliers get informed about published tenders instantly. Portal will maintain a complete profile of supplier organization. Registration on the EduMart is free of cost, valid for limited period. So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up and visit www.edumart.sets.co.in and get yourself registered. Perfect solution for e-tendering. To know more, please visit www.edumart.sets.co.in. MKCL EduMart, best e-tendering portal for education sector.